All right, this is sort 33 from the Green Book. And we are looking at unaccented final syllables. Now remember, unaccented means it's not the part of the word that we put the most emphasis on when we say the word. For example, when we say figure, we kind of emphasize this part of the word versus that ending sounds. Okay, so these are our endings: chur, T-U-R-E, S-U-R-E, and U-R-E. And they put these things in slashes underneath. That's the sound that they represent. The interesting thing is with this sort, except for these ones, these all end in U-R-E. But we're going to hear a slightly different sound based on partially the letter before and, well, yeah, just because of that. And, yeah, but these all sound very similar, so it's important to get familiar with the words that have these endings so that you can make sure to spell them correctly. All right, so first we have for examples, we have catcher, so you can hear catcher, chur, just like in picture. You hear that makes that same sound, chur, but it's spelled differently. And then we have measure. It makes that Z, measure, measure. And then we have figure, like we're saying year almost. So those are our example words, and we're going to go ahead and do the rest of the sort now. Make sure that in the end you pause it so you can copy it down. Now, really quickly, there are a couple words that will sound different to different people. And so if you feel like it might fit in a different category, it's not the end of the world as far as the sound, but it's just recognizing the different spellings and that they all make very similar sounds. Okay, capture. Sure. Oh, we'll come back to that one. Mixture. Teacher. Posture. Failure. Treasure. Nature. Future. Rancher. Pressure. Now that is one that sometimes it sounds more like S-H-U-R, like pressure. That's more how Miss Sel hears it, but also I can hear pressure. But it's going to go in this category because it has that ending, but it might sound a little different based on the person. Torture. Oops, over here. Injure. 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 Culture. Creature. Picture. Leisure. Pasture, and pleasure. Now we have two oddballs this week, which are danger and senior, because they both they sound very similar to this sound, but you'll notice the spelling's very different. So those are just our oddballs to be careful and watch out for. All right, that's our sort. Make sure you pause and copy. And as you're doing your sorts, try and hear those different sounds. As you're sorting them, say the words just like I say and I do, so that way you can start seeing the connection and remember which one's going which sort category.